160,
Sir.
98, TB 57.
Good morning.
How about,
Good morning, Mom.
Mer, di mo inayos si Mila.
Oh, ayusin mo anak.
Cards?
Sorry.
All I know is
Luway-luway ah.
Is that a short word for hope? Yeah,
From what I know,
because you have to use a card or something sharp to cut it.
Inito. Grabe ba man bago akong karigos? My goodness.
It was hotter there.
Yeah.
When you say, well, look, you come here, it's mainit out there. Oh, no. It's nice.
Grabe ang init.
Yes, my girl? What's that, girl? Huh?
Bago pa sana akong karigos. Hindi na ba akong, hindi na akong upload. Ano? Dakulo na akong i-upload actually.
That's good.
Ano, ako masana nag-edit. Gabos. So, at yan, igusan ako.
Nila,
I-edit
ganda
ko.
yun.
Bakit?
Di ito, nununo naman ako.
Nga, yun eh.
Gabos na.
Pati ng egg.
Nariwan ko pag inom kito, di kasi nagunom ako. Basugo na naman.
Yappy?
Si mama, tiglabaran
Now
ko
you're
sa
good. Everybody got a piece.
sa kwarto. Oh, alam mo, oh. Garo man sarang siya bagong karigos.
Di
Look,
ba
mom.
nasa kain?
Say hi to the camera.
You know, there was this time when, have I told you this when I gave him, he's so na.
Ura na pala nalaog. Marasa pa.
That's all, baby. You each got a piece of what Daddy Rick's eating for breakfast.
Ma, digdi mo na dipisilan tabi ako. Iyo tabi.
Go ahead, process it.
And I went home at 9 because I went to my friend's Abby's house.
So,
Pwede pa ini. Pwede pa yung pagtsagaan. Ay, pahinga ako naknawat na ano.
not the one that goes to school with you, the middle one. 'Cause I have
Nagbabawal na technique.
Because, oh, wait, they,
have driver. Yeah, but
I feel like that's a week.
yeah, because concerning who's driving. Yes, he drives home or he drives to
Puno na di
Giselle.
nagurong pa sundan.
Giselle,
Ako na,
then
hindi
back
ako
to work.
Yeah, so,
He'd probably go another week. So if we keep doing like
Madali na maubos ni mama.